All right, good morning, peeps. Well, good morning to most of us. Update on the C6 with the lights. We got the headlights in, so that's a good thing. I actually got them installed. So now I'm gonna finish up. Let me turn this around. I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, got them installed. The headlights are fully installed. The bulbs, I had to wait to come in, and I don't know if y'all know anything about these, but these bulbs are a little tricky. They come with a ballast that hooks to the bottom of it, and they come with HIDs. So they look great when they're installed, but they are, I'm gonna warn y'all, they're a little tricky, but it's not impossible. So right now I'm running up the LED, I'm rewiring the whole front of the car. It was in horrible shape with its little wires, and stuff was tied together with whatever. So I'm rewiring it all. So now everything turns on, all of it's sealed, zip tied where it needs to be, and it's in a lot better shape, but it should last him another couple of years. So all right, let me get back started. That's the update. I'm about to throw the tires on it, put your covers back in. I got one more wire right here. This is going to run to the side. We had a little issue with the side LED. Get that taken care of. I got the battery on it because I have the lights on all the time, battery charger, lights on all the time. And we'll get this thing out of here. After this, I'm gonna wrap it. Today I'm gonna do the window motor, which is insanely priced high. So it's over here. Anyways, let me get started.